Hi everybody, my name is Chris and today I'm gonna show you how to offer on comments. Let's get started. First of all, go to YouTube app. Now go to the profile picture. Go to YouTube Studio. Select the video from here which you want to offer on comments. Click the edit button. Go to run settings. And then I'm gonna off it. And then save it. It means I'm offing the comments. And I'm gonna go to YouTube to show that what I said was true. You could see that the comments are turned off. Yep. Then I'm gonna go back, click the edit button, go to advanced settings, then on it, and then save it. And then go to YouTube. Hi everybody. And you could see that I could add a comment. Yep. See you in the next video.
Subscribe if you like my channel and if you want to get notifications for my latest videos. A like would appreciate my work. Bye!